I GCDs, Mima Obibia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news in Kwa, NMB, Bramo. Anuti, so we young subscriber, Bomodia say, we will subscribe to the channel. You may answer over click the subscribe button. Now, our belly notification. We understand the video, Pierre, upload with the first person of Sabeka, I video. After we are that, one like video, give us a thumbs up, nothing. Share my offer for sooner. Will you be here now? Who and Sama Ekoso? Ewo Ghana Memohano. Afi Yabura and Sama Abeto Yapunoso. Eye Kweku Annan, Bokonadi and Simbi Epiga, galamsey Huns and Sammy, any member Ekoso, and Nuna or to be Eddie money, Eye Akufo Addo, any wood to be. Na Kokona de Sebi ya let us say you put Eye Kweku Annan, Yanko, Nakachina Yinti, and Sama Ye Kweku Annan, Eddie Epiga, 18
na gina yi bebia wa park usika de ahye wo dem wo bebia wo de usika na ekogu e wo foreign bank ho bebia na mudi musika na siesie the politicians in Ghana munyine yi o why the day of reckoning eba the legend for no me si bebia musika hyehyɛ empasie we mo amotu from e de ahyehyɛ ho mo amudi sika na ekogugu septic tanks mu eni ade gina yi a whole minister of state now would de fire near show amonamono near trial video near the abetu social media. So your stupid, foolish leaders with no sense of reasoning, magnanimity, any share of arrangement have sold the birthright of this country to foreign powers. Mende, all your food staples, mobanche, Modiabenyo, Ninara have been chemicalized by this Monsanto group in North America. Umaba chemicalized. Make us omoda so Ghana. When Yaminka Ghana leaders, Akufo Addo, oh, so when you make Guase, a very despicable Ghanaian leader ever on our history under the Fourth Republic. Yenyawa Waba, when Timian found Niensiwo, anti-minister Bakukrengum. No, when you Wontumi krasini illiterate say Wontumi no what TV so radio display say yes o sketching obia yenya mo no kwantu gold no krasini Wontumi no te ono o ye dede tuatua so obia anya ne hwe yenya yemre yenum nsuo ne yenyare ne yenwu wo mo ebenya cancer wo mo ebenya kidney yare wo mo ebenya hypertension ensuo no amo ye nom ni nara aye cyanide and all related diseases. This minister we also a member of parliament for the people of Inshiaesu constituency in Ashanti region. Is making his confession tonight that sooner rather later there shall be a revolution of the minds. Why would he say this? Osi enjo enipa dwene besesa enipa adwen besesa a DNT so womemu bonene doso ono aka hubie NPP and NDC ekwanya modi o main faso ampa there's going to be a revolution sooner rather later. How did he put it? Take a listen to him. But we are saying it doesn't matter, but God will deal with you. Sure. Etienne Nyamia Kwenya, NPP and DC, MPC, ministers in DC. Yenya contemporary, you Ghana for. It is extremely important. We can't keep on putting up these, dysfunctional behaviors and attitudes. Me and my excuses now, media, me, possibly, can happy, it won't happen very soon. There will be a revolution. No revolution to pick any gun. And yet the street has some revolution of the mind. Sure. People begin. Sorry. For MPP, no NDC, Obeka no. And the no will be a loud voice. A voice that will change the generation. A voice that people will believe in. Yameme nipa GD. Ne nipa betray the actually. Ne nyi usika, enyi utumi, enyi wahuade, enyi party, enyi tribe. Because God will begin to have mercy on the children of Ghana. Because deception is so do. And turning people are glorifying lies and deceptions. 1-0. And it's especially within the parties. I was here building this country. We are given this responsibility not just because Nyame pesi enye sikasi obi a we ase. Enye because Nyame pesi obi a say steka na we ni made ni mkasa nya no ana steka president na MP na minister nya no Nyame say we yi yese ya nso because wo me yaso wo no e be carpenters the two makonya so
A bit of body in your BD, a bit of nurses, they're taking care of us. I don't need you do as well. We want to treat people bad and lie and change the focus of this country and destroy the young ones. The time will come very soon. You're honest with people. You need to call Aremeyaw.
Oh, asema wakano. Oni atro, ne kretro do na sticker okano. Nyankopon hira no. Ebria mene mo ka say, some politics ya mo ye wo he. 32 years, you and I know. Nina, enye about ye could elect a leader or what we believe there. Okuta rich policies and programs. It's about the money. Money. Sikanwa. Tibu says here. The God of Mammon, sorry abetna omein to say, and all over Africa, the spirit of Mammon to omein Africa so. And anywhere elections are ongoing, it is not about the representative of the people through the means of real representation. It's about the money. It's about money. Now we are CPP for Kwaku allegation kesi ede abom se sika nkwa na ekokwache oho 1,000 sika sem nkwa. Folks, now so kase there shall be a revolution. So revolution at the ede ba no on say I don't know but how it is going to go. Meaning say no human being born by a woman can withstand that revolution. Na gina yi bebia wa party usika de ahye wo dem wo. Baby, I would do sika ne kogu ewo foreign bank or baby, I would do sika ne siesie. The politicians in Ghana, you why the day of reckoning, eba the legend for no. Me see baby, musika shishe and pass here with one to from Edia Shisho, one with this kind of kogu septic tanks mu any other Gina year. Would you also need a treasure so we say a whole minister of state now would dead. Fire near show amonamono near trial video near the abetu social media so picture where me try no my picture we nyina we ni so a minister of state near the petrol egusu say bam near soldier na wo de no we try now it is going across the social media landscape near show it is coming very close it to the monkoswa boni e rikasam any trimodin akronfo criminals, rocks and thieves. Ya what you say we Kweku Annan wunim nyansa chi ye nyina physically see why obrene enso ye. Now yenra galamsey warfare nim. On the galamsey warfare, however, stakeholders have called on President Akufo Addo to declare state of emergency on Ghana's natural resources in order to safeguard the situation from sinking too fast. But it does appear the president is not heeding to the call. Stakeholder President Akufo Addo said President declared state of emergency. Na Ghana natural resources no she ensure say kwaye ni yebugum into
juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Regrettably, the galamsey activities now stretches its wings into the ocean, causing more damage to Akuria species and many more. Afi galamsey natne nensane ne nine ne ntaban na ediura epunumu. Yenhwe de ekoso in Shama in Western region. Tadi for demonstration kese bi besi wo tadi precisely hemfa ewo secondi ho. Train closely Nanadwa, I greet you my sweetheart. Easy wo. We are monitoring the situation closely. Now she epono eda Shama no. Yeah. Yede ye epui ma ohonso o how kese beba ho. We leaders ni so omunim nyansa baako say. Your leaders. Omu so omunim nyansa baako say omunibi. Hwe kwanya obroni ede nyansa aba Africa Ghana ka ho enaminimu ka say all Ghana food staples na ye dini na have been chemicalized by this group called the satanic group called the Monsanto. Oma be chemicalize enuani na and na Ghana enuani na aye de ben genetic modified organism GMO winim GMO kwana ko ready enam se bebre mu parking kan nti and na ukuta pear na wo pear ni mu a na pear ni na ada na nsuo ukoto tomatoes now the tomatoes ni begu na wan fan share freezer mu a ade chena tomato ni na apro tese bibia no a today ekuta self-preservation unless it's a woody share baby in order to secure the lifespan. Here. All because of your leaders, your stupid, foolish leaders with no sense of reasoning, magnanimity, any share of arrangement, have sold the birthright of this country to foreign powers. Mende, all your food staples, mobanche, modiabenyo, ninara, have been chemicalized by this Monsanto group in North America. Umaba chemicalized. Make us omoda so Ghana. Now imagine say this warfare you and the next yariebe to say the cancer cells, kidney, hypertension, on all kinds of diseases are on the increase. Yes. Your stupid leaders, your useless, foolish leaders have sold the country's right to this foreign group. Mukobi is a speaker not to Albambag ben said no parliament and a Monsanto group for Eba Ghana. And on the force Eba share that they want to, because Omar Sammy say, oh, one more baby chemicalize your food staples, so said Eba and say, one a catch them. Yet, Oko foreign countries now, America, Britain, France, and so far, when we answer Brunino, why you in all arrangements, way organic, way inorganic, what more, what only or their tour, the for baby, let us say organic. Quatamne na yari newu, what more option, ya hain swear, what back chemicalizing yanini na. Now why imagine say ye dianinwa ye chemicalize men ye huano no yankasa indigenous as Ghanaians who we are. Against ye beko ne nsuo no so a nom ne ye nya ahode ye se ese akọ chemicalize nsuo no ebe abodanfo ayarefo na we are na wasofo no akọ gina ho na asofo no ekọ buttons ho. These are sick people. I cannot say anything further than say we are a sick generation. Now here, several reports from NGOs, media, national security operatives, including the then Sector Minister for Science and Environment, Professor Kwabena Agyapong, went to the president over wanton destruction of Ghana's forest and water bodies. Surprisingly, the president deliberately refused to heed to the exigency of the situation, including this one. Professor Prempeh Boateng, Etrokrata, National Security for Atrobi, NGOs, Atrobi, Media, Ednina Beguho, President Addo da Enkwa ene Akufo also wante onfanye adwuma. Onfanye adwuma. And the Professor Prempeh Boateng report also no government official where in Jubilee or elsewhere, and the Yachin said they denied virtually no NPP official has been involved in galamsey or sign every NPP member biaho. What about this one? Wenzwe Nano Diana Moyeno Oyahwaya. Take a listen to this.
No person actually me hospital doctor view on me corner na Kwaku home cause it's near me enkoda corner na Kwaku home na I friend say the na make you charge masem you charge ma no so the make court ma me pastor na no ekokan boy bia o chi ni kotu mu a me ma yi no enok o minti ho o na me do number ma no say onye the boy na ye na kola okay na kwa me ne to the Akano, or Monday to make a galamsey or no modia. You catch him no pen of a booksum and run a meeting. You catch him and a dink of 4 Ako, our Mokoya Juman, to me or Abrochil or Fremekra and no pay. Say, maybe dear 5%. To Bema 15,000, and it was a Monday, Nakolabi, and for Manu Kumasi. To me, remember a Monday, man said a Ukraine. Tuesday, sir, 15,000. Mamma, I wouldn't buy my dear Jumamano. Why you born some papa. Mamma, what's my man report to my region minister? The friend I'm on fire, and will be like friend. May I lean, you know. My men say what they want me a cocotte. Why just come? Yeah, I'm a checker. What you catch a minister say a man is cat. That's how Uncle Fenipa, you show me what my many nipa bonini papa. I mean, who be that? me no wa bedada na jinisika na yesi ya medwuma ya ni percentage ene abeji etu de papa no 15,000 de me ma me no sa 15,000 de ma me no ho no yambo e bena na pasia me kumase na me fe ma na fa koma ma me no se onji seska no onji wie no so onti ase se percentage ya je no na so se chenchira obeje ne 30,000 me pe kwan na me de ma no because ike ni so ya adwuma no bia no a percentage no be ma 5% juries bi also be ma 5 so na e call the lawyer ho no ya agree no enti won na ekoye adwuma no na obonsu ni assembly man ne kwa me no no ma sheda ekodi akire bi enyom na ye adwuma no omo hwe nim tinkonfo na omo ye adwuma no e bi omo na be ma obonsu ni bi di a menim ike adwuma no no ye ne concession to oma omo no kwera me ka kire no na busem ama no kono ka se omo ba ho na obonsu ni kwa me ne omo ne omanfo ne be hia e na so omanfo ne je 100 million aha sa na assemblity nti akire na se assembly se omanfo no so omo ye chip compound bi so me mo se na mo ko mo bi anya se o me do obi akoso nko ye adwuma anya no kreda papa no concession o mo tibi fo bi enko me na papa na ma me chance na ma ka kire no ntumi na me ka kire se sa na te dia no mo atakranti me ma kwan na so akopo obi na ade na ba na o ma ba bi nsi na me na kasa abokire na o se okay maka wate te me chefa na me se me de ma se be ya wo be kwakọ ye adwuma na so anyi sika ni because se na wo ka no me kwa na wo se gume nti nkechi bibia nkechi obetuma ye e o minti ho no se ho so ye forest a ska ho nti no ase o be peni papa dem se secret o se diwo no so no ono afekwan bi so aba me ho ono so fe so koye adwuma ne binti ono na aye na ko so ba ho se so no koye adwuma ne binti nim so betuma yusu no a to no yusu no so a mo ni na ho diwo no wa onim se ne ye adwuma no ye kalebule se so yusu no na wa betuma pe obi o gine dia ade na wa onyi wani nhyeta na fo no no mo nya adwuma na utuka na adwa na wa akwaje usika no be boa because ne nipa ba no wo do obi ko gira wo ma wa obebu onim so ntumi ma ho ndi wo me ntrase no aba me ho den documents kura abre me so sere me a me mo no na me mbusa sa da MP ntumi mo no secret na me ka kire no we de nya de so ka kire obi aba me ho se mi ntimo men kama no na yika adwuma no e ma na hia baby enye adwuma men kai no na eno ko no frɛ me se di wo no aba se ka kyerɛ se me hu papa no ma no enti bi de eno na me ka kyerɛ se momode na wo no ko pa China ni we no China fo no do moko nti wo ko pa China ni na fa mo ebra enti wo kosi eno ko no so eno ko na etiche ni ye ne ne kwa asɔre enti wo kosi no so na fa China ni mo na wo yi hu afiri mu kura enti wo no mo tem so no so a opɛ kura onko ho wo de wa ka kyerɛ se meji 50% enti no anse edru ho kuma se bia mo be hia no mo hia na waje usika seed money a obegye no na waje simple na eke bia wo de bia no wo de akra firi ho ne na afi ne ekoya nim ne de me no nya nam ka se suma si ne yankoya ti biom mani ana ho nipa na atwam ho sia no na akyere be ni apemre na atwam ho sia ewi ase akra takra ka se ne ma amoa no enya hwe ni nyina ya lesson a nipa de hwenyansa timi de me ka kyerɛ on se kwan bia se no asa utimi fo so na okoye se adwuma ni nipa no bia ofre no kwa obeba kumase na omun ne hye ono no onka no be kan ha na no ko so ka se na ni agye ho pa because mi nipa no nti wo so nya bia be ne de na dia so ntwa paso ho nti de mi ntwa bia so na nipa ne man no nsiabo nya de amakomo omonsem hu ye no mo ye no enkosi hwe obi enkodi akire nkasa tenisi mi no me nso so nfa ko be kama de akikura no a ese botom ne hia de o ye nyina no enya de a obi be yiska ade ama ni ma moa wa obi entum moa ni ma moa wa obi entum moa tu ma trust no se 2 years akama ni mu se nipa no obi akosi kwame de a o kan Kwaku anyam na man sika bia galamsey no koye woni tua anyam na man enye sika galamsey no koye enti ade na wo abenya tumi no wa tumi nkoye enti besro fa ho adwen na kokoye sa de no anya sa emo ma gi permission wo papa no ho wie mama me kwan emi me chance na mde ma tina asomo da ho me do ase enti me kon kan no ya me boa man de ni na tiuza no papa ya ba ko me kwa mo dissect enti me kuma se no brandon na ko jis kan de ma ho na se me ko office me ko ya dissect mo so de o na ma me ne de ka se nipa ye careful no o catch the director say onye dwuma no na me no mi no agene sika anti say den sika be manas but I am man check ya waje awie no
munim nipa o ka sei mo hu no wonu nipa fun nipa boni sei o my bofo ti say former former district chief executive Emma Bosome from on workers on order hold. Yes, only Google no ubehuno. Former district chief executive Emma Bosome from and work. Sani pa boni we say by this time essentially ye ne free we ase. Ohun boni a wo hye wiem ho. De Akufo Addo tumi ye ya ne say papa we wo mo pam no free ho ne pam say so onko tena fie na boni a wedi e wo Bosome fra ho ni na no onko diska ne free ose kwai no. District chief executive na kasa o. Entimu say galamsey na e koso e wo mensim ne regions ni na no. Wo be kom no regional minister Shemubi. District chief executive Shemubi, some members of parliament do many Shemubi. Sema Boni kwa and omuni excuse mom. Boni wano nipa boni we at essay wano enchireben enim pemire etwa ne ho ahia papa we o na wo enchireben nim pemire etwa ho ahia na yeden hwe boni oditi ya Ghana bonu ehu se enchireben nim pemire egu no ho na wo wonye pemire ni chireben a wo surround Ghana. Bosome Freho, former district chief executive, very wicked man, very wicked man. Oh, President Akufo Addo, who penipa na watch woma. This is the man. Bosome Freho, kwachi di tum na menhwe ade. President Akufo Addo, ye pese o chi papa itum na hwe ade. Yes. Ye pese President Akufo Addo chi papa we itum na menhwe ade. Bone nkoa, bone. Yaw, o kai ni din. The former district chief executive Bosome Freho fanidi ni bra na memfa mom me refi din kra we boni ahye na masetwom. Former district chief executive Professor Prempeh what the report in the hwe nipa wonum go Jubilee House wo mu dwane ti se nkrante enkosi a omayi kine no obi ape ba bi nitiafa wo mu nya dwane ye and they were trying to take their a fight against Yaudea Mentio. Aha, yaw dance on one down. Yaw dance on you, Guasini, a despicable fellow, a rock and a rat. Useless person indeed. Wait, more pobia. What can home yas? Oh, say, Yashobia, Yano, Yamena, I don't more fun the picture for Moon and Mumra. Let's name and shame him and expose him. Baby, your whoopia or memwa, one on them one bonnier for. One umpo say impemire and chireben impemire etran huesha. This man, on or down, a crook, evil person. When him na say Ghana and Sion. President Akufo Addo unity, Emma not to him, what talk him or Kwaku discount. President Akufo Addo to me and chip apo yantum. Criminals, thieves, and rot. Bosome Freho. Wait. A deben dance a crook, a bonnier for no one tema Emma Ghana. And ye nara I a GMO. All our food staples are a GMO, chemicalized by this Monsanto group. Ghana Nibia Yare. Me say Ghana Nibia Yare na asamni nyamba emema wache. Asamni nyamba wache o. Yare ni nya mema wa ahaw ene nya mema wadwo na nya du fia na behu se ye Kweku Annan tietie mu kasa ase wabodam na se ni senti wo ho weinom apason se Monsanto for no de sa yare yi abe chemicalize ye nuane the genetic modified organism wa won penifo atena ho amakwan me abe sa na weinom so this crooks very useless person we down sunum weinom no mo hihye kwaye mu ho ewiem ho no mo sei Ghana nsuo wono te wo se empemire enchireben ni mpemire etwa ne ho hye na be de mpemire entwa ne ho nhia enchireben eni mpemire egu no ho because why scared when yaminka kai Ghana leaders ohun omobo Akufo Addo o se wonim egu ase a very despicable Ghanaian leader ever on our history under the Fourth Republic. Yenyawa waba wentimi amfa oni ensi wo anti minister ba kukura ngum na wenya wontumi kurasini illiterate say wontumi no what TV so radio display say yes o sketching obia yenya ma ono kwantu gold no kurasini wontumi no no te ono o ye dede tuatua so obia anya ne hwe yenya yemre yenum nsuo ne yenyare ne yenwu wo mo benya cancer wo mu ebenya kidney yare wo mu ebenya hypertension ensuo no amo ya no ni nara aye cyanide and all related diseases mu hu nipa mobo onyankopɔ bo ni wiase bebi odum bedue no and ode natural resources ni nsuo we de maamo adai edi asem
yo it for winning and samaya Kwaku Annan edi tuja obrobro and sembebre so otubi mane ya Akufo Addo any Wontumi oda nsembdo na edi because this news so and our hello so we now subscribe ya bomudi say we be subscribe to the channel since had it latest and hot news and Kwaku Annan me promo after we are now like the video na fi share my offer for so now when you be here now and some so wo Ghana memo also betimi ache wadwen afa eye and some we now wo comment box ni mo beti ninka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.